this distance,
that is distance from the x bar to the center of the vertical rectangle. And now we know the total distance is from the center vertical rectangle to back to the base is say 80 minus, we know this x bar 42.3 equal to 37.3. So do you understand how to count this value? Next one, for the horizontal rectangle, just apply the same formula. In this case, B will be 140 and D will be this 120. So BD cube divided by 12 into area 32.2. How this is 32.2? Actually, this will be the distance of center of the second area A2. This second area actually 10 millimeter from the base. And we know from the base x bar equal to 42.3. So 42.3 minus 32.2. This will be 32.3. So from this equation we got the value of Ixx of horizontal rectangle, that is 3.10 into 10 to the power 6 millimeter 4. So total Xx will be the summation of this horizontal and vertical rectangle, and the answer will be 9.3 to 10 to the power 6 millimeter. So do you have question for this one? And is it clear how can I determine this y and this 32.2 and this 37.7? This is very important to solve this question. Stand values is you know that this length is 20 and the center of this area would be 10, right? Okay. And you already know that x bar is the distance of centroid from the base equal to 42.3. Right? So now we need the distance of center of the second area to the centroid. So just this distance. So how can you find? You already know this distance and you know this distance. Can I make it clear? Yeah, just take away. So is it clear now how we can find 32.3? Yeah. After calculating the total equation, you will find this value. Okay. So, are you clear with this 37.7? Okay. Thank you. Next I'm going for our third problem. This problem is a bit tricky. We need to calculate here the Ixx and Iyy of the section. In this section, we can just assume that this area equal to A1, and the vertical part is called A2, and the base part called A3. So first we need to know the area of A1. A1 will be 200 multiplied by 48. A2 will be total distance 400. This distance multiplied by 24. This width. And A3 will be 48. This distance multiplied by 400. Just look at this equation. A1 200 and 48. A2 will be 400 and this 24. And similarly A3 400 and 48. So total area equal to 38400 millimeters square. Now take a moment of area about the base to find the distance x by neutral axis. We just assuming this distance to the neutral axis and base is x bar. We have to calculate this value. So the taking moment. Total area 38400 multiplied by x bar equal to A1, that is 9600 into 24,448. How to count this value? Just look. How about this area? This is 48. Half of this area, that is center will be 24. This is 24 plus 400 plus 48. So this area multiplied by this distance. Is it clear to you? This is 24,448. And for the second area A2, this is like that. The center of this equal to 200 because we know this value is 400, so half will be 200 plus 48. So area multiplied by the distance. And the third one, the area 19200 and 24. Only the halfway of 48. Is this line clear to you? After calculating this equation, we got the value of x bar equal 192 millimeter. This is 192. So we got the distance of the neutral axis to the base 192. We will need this value to find out the second moment of inertia. We know this equation from our earlier slides. Now the second moment of inertia for the top lens for area A1 will be B cube 248 cube divided by 12 into area into x bar square. So how we found this 280. Now we know this total distance, and we know the x bar. We need to calculate the distance of this center line to the neutral
neutral
axis.
axis.
This
This
distance will be
distance will be
280.
280.
So how?
So how?
Just
Just
calculate like
calculate like
this.
this.
This
This
to this
to
point,
this point,
to the
to
center
the
point
center
of
point of
this bar,
this bar.
the distance
The
will
distance
be
will be
48
48
plus
plus
400
400
plus
plus
24.
24.
48,
48,
400
400
and 24.
24.
48
48
divided by 2.
2.
We got
We got
24. This is
24.
the
This is
center
the
line
center
of
line of
top flange.
top flange.
So now we
Now
have the
we have the
distance of
distance of
now we have the distance of this, and if we take away from the X bar 192, we got the distance which we need. Just take away 192, you will get 280. Is
Is
this
this
value
value
280 clear to you? Okay, just let me know if you have any difficulties. I'm going to solve the next one. That is
IXX for wave.
In this
In this case,
B is 24, this one, and 400 will be D divided by 12, and 9600 into 56 square. How to come to 56? Just think again. The distance
of
48 plus 200.
200.
200 minus 120. This is 48,
and this area is